Hi everyone, I hope you're well and staying safe. Thank you for everyone who sent in the picture of their amazing brownies. That was really great to see. I'm glad you've been enjoying some baking at home. So I thought I'd share another recipe for chocolate chip cupcakes. You can make them either a sort of vanilla flavour, plain or double chocolate. So I'm going to share these now. So what you'll need an egg, some caster sugar, self-raising flour, butter or margarine, it really doesn't matter, milk, chocolate, or if you get the chocolate chips that you can buy sort of pre-made, either or is great, or if you want to customise and put something different in, that would be really cool. And then if you want to make them chocolate flavoured, you need a couple of tablespoons of cocoa powder. So how many cupcakes will this recipe make? Well, this is going to make 12 cupcakes in total. So we can see that there's a use of fractions in baking because a lot of recipes tell you how many they're going to make, and it's not always something that's going to suit your needs. So if you just, for example, wanted to make one cupcake, you'd need to divide your recipe by 12 and find a 12th of the recipe. So if you divide everything by 12, you'd then get your new set of ingredients. But nobody wants just one cupcake, so we can see some different fractions in bakings by finding the recipe for 6 cupcakes. Well, 6 is half of 12, so we'd need to find half of the mixture by dividing it by 2. So that's a recipe and the ingredients for 6 cupcakes. For 4 cupcakes, we'd need to find a third, because 4 is a third of 12. 4 over 12 simplified is a third. So we divide everything by 3. And then 9 cupcakes, well, 9 over 12, if we simplify that, is 3/4. So we'd need to find a quarter of the mixture by dividing by 4, and then multiply this by 3 to get our 3/4. You notice I haven't done any divisions for the egg. Now, we all know you can't have half an egg, or it's at least very tricky to do that. So if you are making any smaller versions of your cupcakes, I'd still stick with the 1 egg, as this is going to help bind the recipe together and also just make it rise in the end. So always stick with 1 egg. Okay, so once you've sorted out your measurements, you need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Last time we looked at converting, so if you need it in Fahrenheit, that's your degrees there. And then you need to line a cupcake tray with cake cases. If you don't have any cases, not a problem, just get a little bit of margarine, put them in the bottom of the tin so that your cakes don't stick to it. So once you've got your ingredients, you can beat the eggs, add your caster sugar and add the flour in. When you mix this all together, it's quite dry, sort of looks like bread crumbs like this. But don't worry, it's going to get like a proper cake mixture when we put in the wet ingredients. So in a separate bowl, you need to melt your butter. Be really careful using the microwave. It can be quite a messy job. Don't leave it on too long. I do it in sort of 10-second intervals. You then add this to your dry mixture, your dry ingredients, and add the milk as well. And you can see it looks like a cake mix now. So really simple so far. What you need to do next when you add your either chocolate chips or your chocolate is chop up the chocolate so it's a bit smaller. Now I'd recommend asking an adult to do this because I don't want any of you to cut your fingers accidentally because it's quite tricky to work with something so small. So please ask an adult for help with this. I took 1 chunk of chocolate and I cut it into quarters there. But it depends how big you want your pieces of chocolate to be in the cupcakes. So once you've done that, add them to the mixture and then stir it well so they're equally divided across the whole mixture. If you do want to make your cupcakes chocolatey, remember to add in those tablespoons of cocoa powder and then you're ready to cook. So you can just divide your cupcake ingredients across the 12 cases. Make sure that they're level so they don't go any higher than your cupcake cases, otherwise they might overflow in the oven. Then they just need to bake for about 10-15 minutes until they're golden brown. So just keep an eye on them after 10 minutes because they could be done at any time. Make sure you're really careful putting them in the oven and also taking them out. So again, I would ask an adult to sort of be there to help you out. Leave them in the tin to cool because they'll be extremely hot, so you don't want to be trying to take them out. So just leave them on a cooling rack to cool before you remove them from the tin, and then you can pop them on a cooling rack and you can enjoy. So it'd be lovely to see if any of you are trying this, your pictures again. So if you want to share them on Twitter, or if you want to send them to the Maths Students inbox, then that'd be great to see all your lovely creations. Well done for all the work you're doing at home at the moment, and I hope that you find this recipe helpful. Enjoy!